Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A35 5G smartphone, and in this video we are doing a quick unboxing, setup, camera and speed test of the smartphone. So if you are planning to purchase this phone or you are just a tech freak like me, then this is the video for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. SIM ejector, a type C to C cable, and some paperwork. So there is no charger in the box, no back cover, just the phone and SIM tool and this cable. So let's open this and set up the smartphone. Glass back, type C charging port, SIM slot, and that's it. The in-hand feel is pretty decent. It feels boxy with the nice grip. Now let's set up this. Let's test the booting time. Click on agree to all and then click on agree. You can also copy your data from another Galaxy or Android device, otherwise click on setup manually. You can also connect to your Wi-Fi or insert any SIM, otherwise click on skip. Click on skip. You can also copy apps and data, otherwise click on don't copy. Click on next. Click on more and then click on accept. You can also set your screen lock. You can set PIN, password, pattern, fingerprint, face recognition. If you want to set this, click any of these, otherwise click on skip. Click on skip anyway. Click on agree. You can also choose your display mode. You can select night or dark. Here I select light and then click on next. Click on next and then click on finish. Click on agree. And now you are done with the setup of Galaxy A35 5G smartphone. It feels really smooth to use this smartphone. The refresh rate is pretty decent. Now let's do a quick camera test of the smartphone. As you can see, colors, details and the background blur, everything is pretty perfect. Let's click another one. Now let's do a quick speed test. So there is no lag in any of these applications. The phone is running smoothly without any kind of lag. So I think this is a really decent phone in this price range. So if you enjoyed this video, then drop a like, comment in this video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.